Hello guys, good morning. So, we're down with our last day here in Almaty, Kazakhstan. So, our flight later will be leaving at
3:45
3:45 p.m. So, we'll be heading back to the hotel by around 12 noon to pick up our luggage. Everything is actually packed already. So, yeah. So, our itinerary for this half-day tour, we will just go to. Originally, we were planning to go to
First President.
First President Park, but we changed our mind because we're so tired. Sobrang nakakapagod. Sobrang nakakapagod na yung tour. So gusto lang namin mag-chill-chill lang today. So mag-walking-walking lang po kami sa mga park dito sa malapit sa hotel. So, day view ng Almaty, Kazakhstan. Time check, it's 9:30 in the morning. And current temperature is 0 degrees. And as you can see guys, nami-melt na yung mga snow. So, as per forecast, it will not be raining snow today. It will be a cloudy day only. But let's hope that it will rain snow today. So, ipapakita lang namin yung hotel namin. So, ito yung hotel namin.
So the nearest metro station is Almaty Metro Station. 5 minutes walking distance lang siya. At saka napaka ganda ng location niya. Napaka walking distance niya sa lahat. If you're planning to go sa Arbat Street, Panfilog Park, Ascension Cathedral, walking distance lang siya lahat.
So, we paid 91,800 tenge for 4 days.
No, 5 days and 4 nights.
For 5 days and 4 nights. And then, nanghingi sila ng 20,000 tenge for security deposit na pwede niyong bayaran by cash or by card. So, yun.
So actually, nag-check kami ng weather forecast since last week. Forecasted na mag-i-snow yesterday and today, pero syempre forecast lang yun. Hindi naman nag-snow. Tapos today, chinek uli namin. Cloudy lang siya, hindi naman expected na mag-ulan or anything. Pero umaambon ngayon. So, sumilong muna tayo. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa park malapit sa hotel. So napakaganda kasi halos every side of Almaty is merong park na malalakaran. So ito yung Kazakh British University as per Google. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa may likod ng Kazakh British University. Ewan ko, likod ba to or harap? Actually, mukha din siyang harap. Tapos parang meron sila dito na sinaset up na gagawin nilang ice skating rink. Since may forecast uli nga yung week na mag-i-snow, unfortunately, hindi natin maabutan. So baka wait nila yung snow para sila. Magkaroon ulit dito ng skating rink. So ito, after a park, after ng park kanina, may another park ulit. Marami sila dito, puro park. Ito din no, si Park Sojon.
Park Sojo.
Ay, hindi pala Park Sojon, Park Soju. Lasing version. Guys, hindi to Central Park sa New York. Sa Almaty lang to. Napakaganda ng location. Napakaganda ng park. So, pabalik na tayo ngayon sa hotel. It's already 10:30. Actually, yung flight natin is 4 p.m. pa naman, 3:45. Pero magpapalit pa ulit kami ng damit sa hotel. Kasi syempre, hindi na naman ganito kalamig sa Dubai.
Tumaas na nga yung sikat ng araw. So wala na talagang chance.
Wala na talagang chance snow.
Snow.
Ay, better luck again. Better luck next time.
Next time, 1 month. 1 month. Pag hindi pa rin sinuwerte next time, wala na. Sobrang malas talaga.
Sino kasi kaya ang may balat sa likod?
Ay, naku.
So, para sila ditong may itinatayo na Christmas market. Katabi nitong Kazakh British University. Ito pala ang ating view mula sa balcony. So, ibang-iba na siya mula yung dumating tayo. Yung dumating tayo punong-puno siya ng snow.